Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you exactly how to download CapCut 2025 with the working link. No confusion, no headache, no 20-minute tutorials, bare decorated talks for 18 minutes and use the link at the end. I'll got you bro. So make sure to hit that solely like button and subscribe to our channel, or the CapCut 2025 will lag in your phone forever. First of all, I know you guys want a perfect CapCut 2025 Wi-Fi link, and honestly, I searched hours in Chrome just to find it. But the link was hiding like it owes me money. So yeah, I found it. It's in my Telegram channel. As the Telegram channel, the only place where all donor links live. But I know some of you are lazy or confused. So I also added the CapCut 2025 link in my JAWS link section. Just touch that link and your phone will automatically start downloading CapCut. Like download it, open CapCut and boom, network it, because CapCut thinks you are living in an unofficial country or something. So yes, you'll need a VPN. My best suggestion is Proton VPN, which is official sponsor of this video. Just kidding, no one. Turn on the VPN before opening CapCut and you are good to go. And yeah, this is a kind of late video because everyone already posted CapCut 2025 link save video. Literally this year is going to end, like my patience. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then you already know what to do. Don't be lazy, like and subscribe boys. Catch you in the next video.